Hello children, how are you? Are you fine? Yes, you are fine. I'm also children fine. Okay, children, as we finished lesson number 2 from your maths book, and what was the name of the lesson? Counting in groups. Yes, children, you remember? I'm sure you remember. Now, children, let's start lesson number 3 from your maths book. And what is the name of the lesson? How much can you carry? What is the name? How much can you carry? Children, what is the meaning of carry? Carry means how much weight can you carry? आप कितना weight उठा सकते हैं? Children, weight can be light also, weight can be heavier also. For example, when you go to school, so many times your mama also says, why your bag is so heavy? Isn't it? Because maybe there are some books, unnecessary books or unwanted books which you must have kept in the bag. So mama says, why your bag is so heavy? Then she may take out some books, and after that you realize, oh, mama, my bag has become lighter. So first it was heavy, now it is lighter. So you understand, children, the meaning of lighter and heavier. कुछ भारी चीजें होती हैं, कुछ light चीजें होती हैं, isn't it, children? So today I am going to tell you a story in which there is a donkey. He also understands the meaning of lighter things and heavier things. So children, the story goes like this. You have to be very attentive, children, because you have to understand the whole story. Then you should read also story, and you have to understand what exactly you learn from the story. Now listen, children. Once upon a time there was a farmer. Farmer was Sandesh, and he had a donkey. They lived happily. This farmer, he used to put sacks of salt on the back of the donkey, and then they used to go to the market. Sandesh used to sell those sacks of salt in the market, and he used to earn money. But while going to the market, they had to cross a river. One day when Sandesh put sacks of salt, you know, children, salt means namak, and sacks of salt, bags of salt. So when Sandesh put sacks of salt on the back of the donkey, and when they reached a bridge, suddenly the donkey fell down in the river. And after some time, when it got up, it felt that the sacks felt very light. He was surprised. The donkey thought, what happened to these sacks? So next day also, he thought, let me slip deliberately and let me see what will happen today to these sacks of salt. So next day when the donkey was going to the market, he deliberately slipped and fell into the river. Again same thing happened, children. He felt the sacks of salt very light. So he was so happy, he was thrilled, and he thought, oh, it's a wonderful idea. I will every day deliberately slip and fell in the river so that my weight is so light. So this happened 4 or 5 days, continuously it happened. But one day its master saw this, and he realized that donkey is deliberately doing all these things so that the salt gets dissolved in the water and there is very little salt in the sacks. So master thought, let me teach the donkey a lesson. So that day, instead of salt, Sandesh put some woolen clothes in those sacks. So this donkey, as he was thinking, he's very clever. I'm making fool of my master. So that day also, deliberately, when he reached up to that bridge, he deliberately slipped and fell into the river. And when he got up, children, can you guess what had happened? Oh, when he got up, he realized, oh, these sacks have become heavier. He couldn't get up because there was some reason, a very important reason. Can you realize, children? Can you understand, children, what was the reason? Yes, when the woolen clothes are soaked in the water, they become heavier. So donkey was that day very sad, and he was very confused also. He couldn't understand why my back is very heavy. Then donkey's master told him, look here, you were making fool of me. You were thinking you are very clever. When you slipped and fell into the river with sacks of salt on your back, that salt got dissolved in the water and you felt very light. But now the woolen clothes, they soaked water and you realize that my back is very heavy. That is why now you are sad. So that day, from that day you can say, children, he realized that I should never make fool of others and I must do my work honestly and I must be very, very sincere with my work. So children, from this story here we realize that you can understand the meaning of lighter things and which are very easily which you can carry, and you can understand that these things are heavy, I cannot carry in my hand or I cannot carry on my back. Same way like donkey also understood. So I hope, children, this story is clear to you and you will now revise this story and you will understand it again. Now, children, let's revise the same story from your maths book. The name of your maths book is Math Magic, and lesson number 3, page number 18, 18. The same story you can read from the book, children, and let me revise it quickly. That there was a farmer, he had a donkey, and that donkey, he was lazy, he did not do his work properly, and he realized one day that which things are light and which things are heavier. When he dipped, or deliberately when he again and again went into that river, he realized the meaning of lighter things and heavier things. Now from the story, children, you must have understood that there is some moral in the story. Can you tell me, children, what is the moral of the story? Yes? Think? Yes, the moral of the story is be obedient, be loyal and truthful to your master or elders or teachers. So children, thanks for watching this video very attentively. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care, be happy and be safe. Thank you.